Buenas, three brothers are roofing on today on this cold weather. We are on residential clears replacement. So here we going, and so what happened is, so at this time we got a call from a customer. Their existing leer is broke, is damaged, and as we can see, the ice is building up. So we have new ones, so we're gonna replace it. Now we start removing the existing old damaged one. So we see a lot of ice is built. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Small project, no problem. Three brothers are roofing the solution. Here we going with that one. Okay, and I mean, like this color, it's almond cream color. So basically it's a different color, or let's say like a special color from white or brown, because most of a house it's white. This one it's almond cream, no problem. Okay, and we made the new pieces. Now we start with the installation. Okay, and we install the screw, and now we have to connect with the leer. It's coming down. Connect that one, and we're done. Because it's really cold, this weather. I think it's like 20 degrees or somewhere like that. Okay, and we are in Hudson County of New Jersey, North Bergen, and now it's replaced and no more leaking. As we saw on the previous one, it has a lot of ice, built ice due to the damage of the leer. So now we have new one, and the color came very good. The experience make the difference. Three brothers are roofing, the solution for any garret repair or downspout unclogged replacement, not a problem. Give us a call. We are near in Hudson County, New Jersey, and we do work in Bergen County, Hudson County, Passaic County, Essex County, and some section of Morris County. Okay, so everything is installed, and now nice and clean. All right, and we connected the flexible extended leer to run the water a little bit far away from the house. That's it. Okay, another project completed by Three Brothers, a roofing company. Downspout replacement done. That's it for today. See you boys next time. Chop chop.